Well, hello everybody and welcome back to NotCrapApps. This is Kevin Shannon. You can find my reviews at NotCrapApps.com and you can follow us at NotCrapApps on Twitter. Today I'd like to show you a note-taking tool. Now there are so many note-taking tools out there for the iPad and the iPhone, as well as the built-in notepad that comes free with iOS. I've tried a lot of note-taking tools, and there's two or three that I use regularly because they all do something, specific that makes them good for certain situations. But the one that I go back to all the time follows a simple rule that I like to live by, at least in the computer world, and it's KISS, K-I-S-S, keep it simple, stupid. Everybody knows that. And in following with that, the app that I want to show you is an app called SimpleNote. As it says here, it's an easy way to keep notes, lists, and ideas. What the app does, you download the free app. There are some in-app purchases to make it ad-free and add a few other functions. But the free app is pretty functional, and you'll be able to do quite a bit with it. But the first thing you need to do is go to the website or in the app itself, create an account right here. Their website gives you a number of reasons why you'd like to use SimpleNote, 10 good reasons to use SimpleNote. I'll try to cover them all here in this review. Then, of course, you want to go there and you want to download the iPhone and iPad app or on your iPod Touch. The nice thing about this, I have an iPad and an iPhone, and SimpleNote syncs seamlessly across either of them. So a note that I create on one just automatically appears on the other. So let's take a look at the interface, and you'll see that it really lives up to its name. It is pretty simple. What you have on this side here are a list of all the tags that you've given your different notes. Here's the note editing window. There's what I typed for my test note. And you can go up here and you can add any tags to the note that you want. They're all searchable over here. What you want to click on up here is the settings. Let's take a look what you see when you're in settings. It shows you your account that you're logged in as. The account type is free. If you want to upgrade, you can do the in-app purchase here. Turn web syncing on. Some of these you cannot shut off. For example, you cannot shut off show ads unless you purchase the free version. So there's a couple of different things that you can do here. What I like is you can set a passcode. So if somebody comes into your app, they have to enter a 4-digit code to get into the app, as well as to the device itself. So if you drill into a note, this is what you get here. You get your list of notes here. That's if I clicked all notes. And you get the ability to search, so it indexes all the content, and you can search pretty easily. Really is a pretty simple interface. Over here, there's a little option. If you click there, it goes full screen, and it gets rid of everything, so you're in a full screen mode for editing. It's pretty nice. Now, if you click up here, what you're going to get, if you click up here, there we go, right there, you're going to get some options for sharing. One of the options is to email the note. Pretty simple. If you click on that, it just drops the text of the note into an email, and you can address it and send it. The other thing that you can do over here is you can publish the note to a web page. So if you throw this switch, it publishes the note, and it gives you an option of actually sending a link to somebody to tell them that the note is available. And if you click that, this is what you get. It gives the people the address of the note right there. And they can go to the website, follow that link, and this is what it looks like. They actually get a copy of your note up there. So it's a quick way to write things, publish them to the web, and be able to send somebody a URL so that they can view it. One of the other nice features is it does versioning for you, and if you click there, you can actually use this to scroll back to prior versions. So if you want to back out of some things that you changed there, you can just drag across here, and it will go back to prior versions. In the paid version, it holds more versions, so you can go back further. Let's see what else I can tell you about this app. Oh yes, over in the top here, info, it'll give you a word count, it'll give you a character count, and it will allow you to pin certain notes up to the top of the list so that you can always find them. In the settings, you can decide how these are sorted, whether they're sorted by date or alphabetically. But no matter how you sort it, if you throw this switch, it puts that one up at the top so that you can see it all the time. So it's really a very simple interface. Keeps your notes in sync all the time, which I think is the best part of it. Allows you to share notes with people. Really pretty interesting. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you try it. And in the future, I'll probably review a couple of other note-taking apps that have some other features. And you'll be able to find those reviews at NotCrapApps.com, or follow me on Twitter at NotCrapApps, where I'll alert you every time I put up another review. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, you can email them to us at notcrapapps@gmail.com. Enjoy!